Good morning, folks. Right. Video 2. This time with WPL's new C54 on the C24 one chassis, which unfortunately I had to build as stock because I could not get the metal axles to work properly. The thing was that the crown gears and the metal axles are out of true. So this is the plastic axles it's running on just now, with the V3 control system. Again, this will be quite a nice one to get to the park to test out. The problem I had with the control board is that when you go to put the servos on the pins, it's not clear as to what the orientation is. You know, 3 rows of vertical pins, and you're, well, do they install vertically? Do they install horizontally? The answer is they install horizontally. The instructions aren't overly clear as to the orientation. And it caused me no end of headache trying to get this up and running. These are the new wheels and tires. With the foams. They're not glued on. They're just here. I had to install a plastic drive shaft in the rear. It doesn't have the torque. I thought it would have, but it doesn't. It's a single speed alloy box with a 370 motor, fuel reduction gearbox, maybe the battery's getting a bit low. Sitting there, it will shut off. You can see it's not exactly a small motor. I put the plastic drive shaft on the rear because there just wasn't the space for the alloy drive shaft on the front. As you can see, it's all plastic links. makes it into a very tidy little car. So, just thought I'd give you a little short test run video on this. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will catch you all again on the next video. Bye for now.